Hello students, I hope you all are staying home and taking precautions from COVID-19. Students, today we are going to learn how to change the desktop background and the screensaver. So let's see. So for changing the desktop background, we will right click on the desktop. This is called one list will appear, that is called pop-up menu or context menu. From the menu, we have to click on personalize option. When you will click on personalize option, the display property will appear. From that, you have to select desktop background option. Now go to the picture location. Now Windows desktop background. There are so many pictures. You have to choose any one picture for your desktop background. Now I have selected one picture and click on save changes. When you will click on save changes, your desktop background will be changed. As you can see students, earlier it was Windows background, now it has changed. Again students, go to the desktop background. In this time from picture location we have to select picture library. When you will click on picture library, the pictures whatever installed or whatever they stored in your computer, here you can choose any one picture and click on save changes. When you will click on save changes, again the desktop background will be changed as you have selected the pictures. Students, click on desktop background. Now in this time from picture location you can choose or you can browse the pictures whatever you want. Suppose you want to set your own wallpaper or your own photograph as a desktop background from the location like E drive, D drive or different drives are there. You can choose your pictures and click on OK button. Then your pictures will be appear on the desktop background. Clear? Now again click on desktop background. The fourth option is from picture location click on solid color. This is the top rated photos. Click on solid color. Suppose you want to set one single color or one color for your desktop background. So you have to choose any one color and click on OK button or save changes. As you can see students, one color is appearing as a desktop background. Now from picture location, the simple pictures are there, some sample pictures are there. As we have already selected it and we have done this. So from desktop background, you have to choose your Windows wallpaper for by default and then click on save changes. As you can see students, the desktop background has changed. So students, for screensaver, right click on desktop and then click on personalize option. Now students, for the screensaver you have to click on screensaver option. When you will click on screensaver option, the screensaver dialog box will appear. From the screensaver display box you have to select screensaver, like I am selecting ribbons, as you can see students, and then you have to enter the numbers in the wait box. What will happen when the computer is idle for these many minutes, the screensaver get displayed. As you can see students, the preview of this screensaver. Then students, click on apply button and then click on OK. So after clicking on apply or OK button, what will happen students? It will get displayed on a monitor screen when there are no keystrokes or mouse movement for a specified duration. Clear? Now again I am going to select 3D text. Suppose you want to give 3D text for your screensaver, so click on setting. In the place of Windows 7 you can write your name or welcome or whatever you want, and then click on choose font. You can select the font face, font size, etc. Like I am selecting the font Times New Roman and whatever you want, and then click on bold, italic, underline, then click on OK. Now students, you can increase or decrease the resolution as well as the size of this text. Now next is rotation type. You can change the rotation type like seesaw, and there are so many options. You can choose as for your requirement. As you can see students, the welcome text or word is appearing as a screensaver. Now students, you can change the texture like our solid colors. So for this you have to click on solid color option, then custom colors. When you will click on custom color, the color box will appear. You have to choose any one color from the box and then click on OK. So your text color will be changed. See, it is appearing as a red color. Click on apply and OK. Now student, one more option is there, bubble. Suppose you want to change the screensaver and set as bubble, then the bubbles will be appear as a screensaver when your computer or will left idle for few minutes or the whatever the time you will set for your screensaver. Now students, click on none option and click on apply and OK. I hope you understood how to change the screensaver for your computer.